Hi, so we are back with another laptop related video. In today's video we have a problem that Lenovo laptops are not showing the NPU in the task manager. So I was also going through with the same problem, so I decided to make a video so that people can uh, get the solution for this problem as well. So actually the problem is the NPU has a driver, and if you haven't downloaded and installed the NPU driver, then NPU is not going to come into the task manager or anywhere else, neither it is going to work. So in order to install the NPU driver, if you are not able to find the driver, just you need to go to the Microsoft Store, this one, and then right over here the Lenovo Vintage, this one. Okay, I have already installed it, and then after installing you need to go to the Lenovo Vintage and then make this from the home page, like check for updates over here. On the home page you will find one button over here, check for updates. Press this and let it scan for the latest updates. When it shows the drivers, there will be one driver named with NPU driver. So update all, there will be one button, update all drivers. Just press that and then wait. It will automatically download and then install it. After installation, then the NPU is going to come into the task manager over here. Like for example, 10 minutes ago I was not able to find the NPU in the task manager or anywhere else. Even I was thinking like maybe this model does not have the NPU. So this is the Ryzen 8000 series, which is the latest one, but still I was thinking like maybe it does not have it. So I think this video will help those people who are not able to find the NPU in their laptops. Keep watching our channel for more problem solving videos regarding the laptops. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye.